Hey, welcome to the Cooking for a Man channel. Today we're going to be doing a very simple recipe. We're going to be cooking some salmon on the barbecue. We're going to start with making the sauce. Some lemon juice, 1 lemon. Next, just quarter cup of butter. Some grounded ginger. Just below a quarter cup of parsley. Just the bottom of a cup is fine actually. Don't need that much, more for the color. And then I got some garlic. Just a few pieces of garlic, you'll also be fine. Mix all that up together, and then that's going to be what we're going to be adding on top of the salmon for the cooking itself. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some aluminum paper, and because I'm lazy, I'm just going to use a piece of aluminum paper and make a small bowl out of it, and that's what I'll use to cook on my barbecue. I want it to cook on the open flame on the barbecue. That's going to be for 10 minutes, 350. You got to be careful with salmon when you cook it. You don't want to overcook salmon, and plus it's still going to be keep on cooking when it's done. So you rather pull it out a bit early. It will keep on cooking while it's in the aluminum foil. Don't worry. Put the sauce on top. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to lay my avocado. The avocado, you could get it grilled on a plate if you wanted to before too, but it'll do the trick. It's in 10 minutes. It's enough to get it warm and get it cooked up. So I'm just laying my avocado on top to kind of make it pretty. This size plate, will be for two people with veggies, obviously. And then Parmesan cheese to cover it all. Just a bit of Parmesan cheese, give the taste, give that nice color. This is what it's gonna look like before you put it in. This is what it look like when it's pretty well ready to go, and that's what it's gonna look like when it's ready to be eaten. So you guys have a good one. Thanks, enjoyed, and hope you like it. Follow the channel. Doing this for fun, so hope you like it too. Thanks.